hope you all are having a fantastic day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we are going to be unboxing the October 2019 GlossyBox. For those of you that do not know, GlossyBox is a $21 a month beauty subscription, and you receive 5 to 6 items, and they can be like sampled. Usually they're deluxe size or full size items. And like I said, it's $21 a month. I'll put a link down below that will actually save you 20% off your first month if you would like to sign up. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get in here and see what we got for October. Before we open this box, I can't talk today. I'm like, open October. Before we open this box, I do want to remind you guys that we do have 2 active giveaways going on right now. So if you have not yet entered, they will be linked down below. And if you are new, welcome. I promise I'm usually not this much of a mess. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you. But let's get in here and see what we got for October. So it always looks like this when you open it. The little bow. And these boxes are actually really good to store things because they're pretty sturdy. And then we have a little pamphlet here. And this will tell us all about our products and pricing. The pricing is usually for the full size, and it will also let you know if the item that we received is full size or not. So grab your lattes, Glossies. Not a problem. Fall brings out the cardigans and pumpkin spice in all of us. However, with the seasons changing, you should also follow suit with your regimen. Chillier weather is here, so we need to give our skin the rest and preparation it needs for the perfect autumn glow. This month's box is for the calm me time you need to repair from the summer heat and prep for the upcoming winter and rejuvenation, or with rejuvenation and hydration in mind. Because between skin concerns and skin solutions is you, and we're here to help. So, awesome. All right, so then when you open it, that's when it kind of goes over, which we're not gonna peek, the products and pricing. So, stickers like always way over here. Sticker did not want to let go. All right. So this is what I see when I open it. So it is full of goodies. All right, so I'm gonna start with this guy right here that's trying to pop out. This is from Illamasqua Hydroveil. Sorry, I'm sorry. This guy right here. Mini Hydroveil. Featured size is 7 mLs. This is, yeah, okay. Full size would be $35. It's a gel, a hydrator, and primer all in one. Say hello to smoother skin with a self-leveling, futuristic clear gel. Microalgae, vitamin C, and B3 work together to help maintain the skin's hydration levels, creating a healthy looking, balanced finish. I love gel moisturizers. So this is outside of the little box. So I'm actually really excited. It's even got a cute little tiny safety seal guy there. Oh, so it is literally like a gel. That's interesting. So I'm excited about this. I know I've talked about in many videos that we have a trip coming up. So this actually would be great for my primer and moisturizer in one. So this will go into my travel makeup bag. All right, and then we have, and I love this brand, from Skin & Co, Roma Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. Featured size is 30 mLs. Full size would be $28. A delicate exfoliating cream, this face gommage, if I'm saying that correctly, features sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and a unique and exclusive black winter truffle extract, a powerful free radical scavenger that reduces the signs of aging. Sounds good to me. So, I mean, again, this I think is a really good size, especially for travel. Like, that's one thing about certain beauty boxes when you get the sample or deluxe size samples, they're great for traveling. So, guess where this guy's going, y'all? Into my travel makeup bag. All right. Then we have minus 417. Firming Radiant Mud Mask. Featured size is 20 mls. The full size would be $39. This dual action 2-in-1 exfoliating and nourishing mud mask is based on a unique blend of rich Dead Sea mud and deeply cleanses skin, absorbs excess oil and all traces of impurities. So while your skin is gently exfoliated, your skin's dead cells are buffed away and your fresh skin is nourished. All right, so this I can tell you I'm probably going to go ahead and put to the side for a future giveaway, just because I have quite a few full-size cream masks or mud masks. So I would like one of you guys to have a chance to try this little guy right here. So this will be put to the side for one of you. And then we have, oh, I'm excited about this. Believe it or not, I actually do not have this at all, like nothing like this. So I'm actually really excited to get this product. All right, this is from Bella Pierre. This is their Pro Concealer Palette. And it is, ooh, $50. Color correcting is a well-known makeup artist tactic to banish imperfections through use of colors that cancel each other out. And with this palette of color correcting concealer, you can say goodbye to imperfections till your nighttime routine. So I wanted some stuff like color correcting because I have a lot of redness on my face, and I know that the green cancels out redness. And there is green in here. There's a big mirror. So there are your different colors. So you've got the concealer with the color correcting. I am super pumped about this. Like, I'm really excited about this guy right here. So excited. It's 50 bucks. So yay on that guy. All right, so then it looks like we have two final products, and it looks like they kind of go together. So let me move this out of the way. Oh, I need a blooper reel, y'all. I really, really do. All right, so these two products are from John Masters Organics. So we have two different products right here. We have, let's see. These are both 60 mls. Full size pricing would be $48. Geranium and grapefruit, let's see, body milk right here and body wash. Makes it hard to, just because summer is gone doesn't mean you can't smell like the season. With geranium flower to soothe and tone and grapefruit to help balance and refresh, this body care duo will lock in that summer glow even when the temperature drops. Let's see. I can't really smell it. Let me try the lotion. One thing I do like, again, perfect for travel, but I like that they have the pop top like that. So let's see if I can smell the body milk. I don't really smell anything. I mean, I guess maybe when you actually use it and you put it on and you rub it in or you lather it up, you would get a smell. I'm not sure. But we got a body wash and a body milk. So that was the GlossyBox for October 2019. Let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Again, don't forget about those giveaways. They will be linked down below as well. Also, like I said, I have a link for GlossyBox. If you would like to sign up, it will save you 20% off your first box. So again, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.